white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling.
Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. Wow, 6 more days until Christmas. Well, I guess 7 if you count today, but I don't count today. But today I have blocked my beanie. I know I said I wanted to wait until I have more beanies, but I want to wear that beanie sometime, okay? So I really wanted the point to get out of the beanie, and it's blocking right here. That's why I pinned the top and I stretched it out to the shape that I wanted, because I want like a square roundish type of top of the hat. And when I finished this, since I finished it on, I decreased it, and since I finished it on like magic loop and stuff, I don't know if it was because of magic loop or because of the decreases, but it just made a point, and I didn't want a point in my hat. I wanted it to be flat and square roundish. So that is why I pinned it like this, and that's why I wanted to block it, just so that I could see how it turns out, so I can prepare for the next beanie that I do, which will be around next week. Yeah, next week, because I plan to finish the sweater today. I have started on the sleeve of this sweater. This is what it looks like so far. Not much, because I literally just started it. And it is going well so far. I know that because I'm doing decreases every so often, I will have to switch to magic loop, which is not a problem anymore now that I know how to do magic loop. That's what I plan on working on today. And I have been seeing so many people make, what do you call it, beanies. I'm like, please stop tempting me. I need to finish this sweater. I don't want to project hop, okay? Like, I need to get halfway through this sleeve today, and I'm going to grind the mess out of it. So here we go.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. winter's coming to visit.
You see this? See that? I'm knitting like this because I'm on the sleeve, obviously. This is how long the sleeve is so far. So not long, not short, but a lot of progress. And someone in Tiffany's Discord, Tiffany Lou, said that they put their sweater inside a bag and leave the sleeves out whenever they're on the sleeve because, you know, okay, if you've knitted a sweater, you know that when you get to the sleeve, you have to turn that entire project every single time, and it's so annoying to me. So the person said, put your sweater inside the bag and then just knit. And so all you have to do is just turn the bag. Oh my gosh, life saver. I am going to use this method every single time, and I'm in love with it. Like, it's so perfect. So if you don't like knitting sleeves because of that, then put your sweater inside a bag and you only have to turn the bag and not the entire project. Hot tip or whatever. Alrighty guys, I have finished knitting for this video. I was gonna say for today, but I'm gonna continue knitting. I have gotten this far on my sleeve. It was looking like this morning, this side, but now it is basically almost halfway. Well, kind of is halfway there. This is Kahila's anchor sweater, by the way. I forgot to tell you guys, but this is her anchor sweater. This is how it is. She doesn't block her stuff, so this should be longer, but she doesn't care. I'm gonna block mine. But this is what mine is looking like so far, and this is what the sleeve is looking like. I want to do a lot more tonight. I think I'll stay up a little bit and get through most of it, so tomorrow morning I can possibly finish the entire first sleeve and then start the second one, but we'll see. Today, you know how I've been doing my Advent with Kahila? Well, today I'm gonna do it with Malika as well. And Kahila, of course, still. And Kahila, of course, still.
Oh, my bad. Hey.
And it is day 19 of the Advent. Yesterday's color was green and pink. That was such a weird combination. Didn't see the pink coming, but I guess I should have looked closer. You guys are ready? Oh, and Kahila closes her eyes. Do you close your eyes too?
Close my eyes for what?
Close
Oh,
your eyes.
yeah, sometimes, yeah, I dig in it.
I don't.
Okay,
Okay.
day 18.
What did you say, day 18?
Day 19.
Hold on. Why do you? Oh, you make sure the number's intact?
I mean, yeah, I saw a lot of butchers. This is okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay, I have
We're gonna count. Okay.
I have it out already.
Are you looking?
No.
Okay.
We're gonna count 3.
Okay.
1, 2.
And open our eyes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, 1,
2, 3. What?
Okay.
I get it. There were blue speckles in yesterday's own.
I mean, yeah,
one blue
but,
speckle right here.
like,
One?
Yeah, it's just
Look
like
at
this.
ours.
What? You have no.
I have like no pink. And look,
Yeah,
look, this
I have a
is
lot of
Malika's
pink.
own.
That's
This is
weird.
mine.
Here's
I don't
mine.
have a lot of pink. And this is Kahila's own.
Mine is like
Wow.
Dude,
pink.
ours look so different.
That's why I wanted us to open
Mm,
at the same
so-
time because that's so cool.
So this is what it looks like close up. It has
That's
a
yours
lot.
today?
Yeah.
Why does it look even more different?
Right? It has a lot of blue speckle. There are a lot of blue speckles. The pink has faded, but there are some big splotches of pink on some parts, like right there, and like, well, really at the bottom, some pink splashes. I don't think you can really see, but let me show you yesterday's own and today's own next to each other. Oh my gosh, I'm not even in focus. Okay, now let me show you guys yesterday's own and today's own next to each other so you can see this big jump. Like the green has totally disappeared. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is today's color. This is yesterday's color. Like, look at how drastically this changes. There isn't even any green left in this color, and the pink has almost totally disappeared. The blue speckles are taking over. There were a few blue speckles in this colorway, but this is not looking like a fade to me, okay? It's just looking like it's jumping around, but you know what? That's why I'm not really guessing what tomorrow's own will be, because I don't know what it will be. I have no clue. Anyway, like I said yesterday, by the end of this week, we will see what the entire fade looks like together. You guys have already seen what most of them look like together. So the past few days and then the next few days, I will just show you the day before and the day of. And then on Saturday, I will show you everything and we'll see if this fade makes sense or not, okay? Because individually, it's not really looking like it, but it's fine because at the end of the day, I'm still gonna knit with it and it's still gonna look cool. So that's all that matters. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Bye!